Hey guys, this is me, Aparna Warrior, and you're watching Love Ke Fun Day. Thank you for being here, and thank you for all your likes and shares and subscriptions. Please keep showering your love on us, we need it. And keep sending in your questions as well, because that's why we are here. We are here to talk about any and every relationship issues that you might have, no matter what the relationship is, okay? So, yeah, I have the question for the week ready for you guys, and let's talk about it. Let's see what the question for this week is. So, this week's question, let's see what it is. It's a bit lengthy, so please stick to the very end because, this can happen to anybody, and I'm sure that at least some of you will relate to what the question is. So, without much ado, let us get to the question. I'll read it out aloud first and then we can go ahead and discuss it, okay? तो देखते हैं इस हफ्ते का क्वेश्चन क्या है. I met this girl at work and we got talking and hit it off. We tease each other a lot and I just enjoy talking to her. Although initially our conversations were very light, we got talking about all aspects of life and were beginning to have a real deep conversation. We started hanging out more often, and I really enjoy talking to her and look forward to it. But there is a twist to this story, like many others. She is married, and although she keeps dropping general hints about being attracted to someone other than your partners, we have so far maintained a platonic relationship. However, I have a feeling that she's trying to get me to open up to her about her feelings for her, but I have not done it yet because sometimes I feel what is the point because she is, after all, married and I'm single, and I don't want to create any problems in her marriage. From our conversations, I got the feeling that she is just married to someone who is a family friend, but I don't think there is any love there. However, I'm not very sure. I don't expect a relationship, but I also sometimes wonder how amazing it would be if she were single. Having said that, I don't. I want to know if I should still confess my feelings for her without any expectations of a relationship, or just let this go and not say anything to her. Well, what can I say? I think somewhere you have answered your own question. Like you said, what's the point of all this? So I feel personally that she is married, okay, and you're not. That itself is a conflict, and you are very clear that you do not want to create any problems in her married life. And the other part is also that you don't know what exactly is happening in her married life, right? You have absolutely no idea. You've not had that conversation with her yet, or she's not shared, details about it in any way. And even if she did, the point is that she's still married. So, like you said, it is complicated in the sense that you can express your feelings to her and you can probably tell her. And I think she somewhere is goading you, or, trying to get a reaction out of you in that sense. Or maybe she thinks that she can get to know what is going on in your mind, and probably that's what she's trying to do. But the point being that here you really have to think very clear and very hard as to where this is going to lead, because if you do confess your feelings to her, and then what? That is the most important question, because that is where things get complicated, and we all know for a fact that it will get complicated unless you're like super strong and you are absolutely sure that nothing is going to happen beyond you just expressing your feelings. Then it's perfectly fine, go ahead and express your feelings to her. But I think everybody will kind of agree with me here when I say that it is not just going to end there. There can be two outcomes of this clearly. One being that she completely denies everything and says like, "Oh, I just saw you as a friend," blah blah blah. But I don't think that is the case. I think probably she might also have an equal reaction to what you're saying or what she's expecting you would say. So, you have to really think of what or where this is going to lead, because that is the critical juncture that you have to be wary of. क्योंकि उसके बाद ही वो actual complication जो है that starts there. So if you're very sure, if like you're absolutely sure that you can put pause or press pause after and just confess your feelings but not take it ahead, then I would say go ahead and express your feelings to her. But here there are two people, right? It's just not you being strong, it's also about her reaction and about how she's gonna take it. So I personally would, if I were in your place, I would probably drop it, because there is, I mean, it's too complicated and there is no going ahead in this situation because she is married and you're not. So, why complicate things further? Because once those feelings come out, then obviously, um, there are bound to be some complications attached to those feelings. So yeah, this is this is what I feel. It's too complicated, and it's not going to lead anywhere. And she's still married, and it's not like she's out of the marriage, or you don't even know what the status of the marriage is. So yeah, I think with so many ambiguities, I really feel that there is no point uh, complicating it further, and probably you should just be friends and stick to just being friends. So yeah, that's what I have for you this week. I hope this helped, and please let me know if it did. And yeah, please do like, share, and subscribe, guys. And I will see you all next week. Bye.